In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube and Zoho Social. By the end, your YouTube channel will be connected so you can plan content, publish confidently, and track performance right from your Zoho Social dashboard. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Zoho Social website. On the landing page, look for the Sign In button and click it. When the Sign In options appear, choose the Google option. This tells Zoho Social you want to authenticate using your Google account, which is required for connecting YouTube. You'll see a list of Google accounts. Click the account that's associated with the YouTube channel you want to manage. If you have multiple Google profiles, take a moment to pick the one that owns or manages the correct channel so you don't connect the wrong one. If your Zoho Social account is brand new, you'll land on a homepage prompt that asks you to connect your social media profiles. Here, click the YouTube icon to start the YouTube connection flow. On the next screen, click Connect YouTube. Zoho will now move you through Google's secure authorization process. If prompted again, log into your Google account. This is normal. Some browsers or workspaces will ask you to confirm your identity more than once for security. After that, you'll see a permissions screen. Review the access Zoho Social is requesting, such as the ability to read channel data, upload videos, and view YouTube analytics. These permissions allow Zoho Social to schedule and publish your videos, pull in insights, and keep your connection stable. If everything looks right, click Continue to approve. In a moment, you'll return to Zoho Social. You may be asked to connect additional social channels. If you'd prefer to set those up later and jump straight into your workspace, click Connect Later. That will take you right to the dashboard where you can see your connected YouTube channel and your brand's profile list. That's it, your YouTube channel is now linked to Zoho Social. From here, you can organize your content calendar, schedule uploads, and monitor performance without switching tabs. If you run into any access issues, double check that you selected the correct Google account and that the channel permissions are up to date. Also, if you work in a team, make sure your role in YouTube has the proper rights to connect third-party tools. Thanks for watching. Follow these exact steps anytime you need to connect another channel, and enjoy managing your YouTube presence more efficiently inside Zoho Social.